This video I'm going to show you how to build a landing page beginner's guide. I'm going to show you step by step how you could make a landing page very easy and simple. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So if you check my website, I'm going to show you one simple landing page. It's very simple, very easy, and I'm going to show you how to make this. So currently right now I'm using WordPress and I use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. And if you check the link down below, I have a 70% discount. So it's going to be really simple for you to start making a website. So once you make a website, so I've created a video on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It would be somewhere in my YouTube video, or I've created a free course as well. So you could just join now, but I'm going to show you how you can make a landing page. So I'm just gonna take one of my sample website. So this is one of my sample websites. So all I have to do is create a new page. Okay, I've created a new page. So let me. So now I've created a new page. All I have to do is just type the landing page, publish. Once I've done that, all I have to do is click on plugins, add new. So I'm gonna install a plugin called Elementor. So basically Elementor is a free page builder. So I've already installed it, Elementor. So now once I've done that, again I'll go to my page, landing page, click on edit. Okay, and I'll just click, first thing is I'll just make myself small. Click on documents, choose Elementor canvas, okay, and then update, and then click edit with Elementor. Okay, so once you do that, now once we are over here, so all you have to do is you can import some templates. So if I just click here, so these are some, so pro means it's paid, but we don't want paid, we want free. So what I can do is just click landing over here. So we need a landing page, and the one which says Go Pro means you need to pay for that plugin, but we are not gonna pay, it's all free. So I'm gonna insert this one, and so you need to connect. So just get started, put in your email ID, so connect. I'm just gonna connect, it's for free, just you need to put your username or your email ID. Once that's done, it's gonna load. So this is how your landing page is, very simple. There are a lot of more landing pages. If you want something else, what you could do is just cancel everything up, again click on this, type landing page. Okay, so there are a lot of landing pages. So let's say I want this landing page, it says GoPro, this one, okay, and then insert. So now it's loading. So now this is done. Okay, so everything is there, and then you can just change it. You can add your own logo over here, you can type your name, anything. You can add your landing page. That's it, guys. So the basic thing I want to tell you is, so let's say you are in some niche, so let's say you are into my niche, check your competitor, check someone who's really working really well, okay, then make exactly the same way as it is. Okay, so for me, if you want something like this, copy and paste and make the same way, and making it is really easy. It's very simple, it's just like using paint, you need some creativity. Okay, cancel everything, okay, and then just click here, 2 blocks, as you could see over here, 2 blocks. So now I'll just say 2 blocks, 1 block has, so I've already created it. Okay, 1 block has image, so I can just add image. If you want, you can add video over here. So 1 image is here. Let's say I don't want image, I want a video, just add a video. And if I want over here style, and then click over here, I want to insert text editor, and then again come back over here. Okay, I want a button, you can add a button over here. Very simple, don't have to make it complicated. we need to make the button extra large. It's very self-explanatory, where you can just choose and everything. So this is how you create a landing page. What I would suggest is, once you're starting new, okay, follow your competitor. Or the second thing is, whatever is made, use that. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just click over here, or even Astra, you can page landing page. Okay, there's no landing page, get the agency bundle. So currently right now I have some discount on Elementor as well as Astra templates. The link is down below, but you don't have to do that right now. Start for free. Once you start making money online, then you could start buying things up. And that's it for today's video. This is your canvas. You can design the way you want, but first thing I would always suggest landing page, right? Landing, okay, something like this. Use this, okay, and then start. Once this is done, you can then start making money online. Then you can buy the paid one. But this is how you create your landing page. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button, and I would see you in the next video. Thank you. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google, and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.